Hi, I'm Guy Maalouf and I'm thrilled to be speaking at the Royal Aeronautical Society's RPAAS Conference on the 23rd and 24th of April in London. As a PhD candidate at the University of Southern Denmark, I'll be talking about the societal impact and benefits of drones by presenting the WildDrone project. Our 13 PhD researchers are advancing the use of drones for wildlife conservation in Kenya. So I'll be sharing key insights from our latest expedition, where we conducted more than 240 flights, including BVLOS flights, to monitor various animals, including zebras, rhinos, lions, and hippos. The RPAAS conference brings together industry leaders for 2 days of discussions about operational models, economic viability, regulations, and airspace management. So if you're shaping the future of autonomous aviation, that's where you need to be. So register today and join us at the RPAAS conference to be part of the discussion.